Elementary English Test and Challenge. Test 3 Part 2. Questions 16 to 25. Let's begin. 16. Blank does Andy's little brother play with? A. Who? B. Why? C. How old? D. Where? "17. Blank does Natalie's nephew do? He's an architect. A. How? B. Whom? C. When? D. What? "18. Blank does it rain here? Mostly in summer and winter. Blank snow in winter. A. When? Why? B. Why? How? C. What time? Whom? D. When? What about? "19. Blank does Anthony go to work? Blank bus. A. How? By. B. How well? On. C. What kind? In. D. How? In. "20. She, blank, from England. A. Come. B. Comes. C. Don't come. D. Goes. "21. Blank, she, blank, French. A. Speaks. B. Does, speaks. C. Does, speak. D. Is, speak. "22. She, blank, blank, from America. A. Don't comes. B. Doesn't come. C. Doesn't comes. D. Does comes. "23. Every time he, blank, a glass of lemonade before breakfast. A. Is. B. Have. C. Has. D. Does. "24. Blank, he, blank, 3 children. A. Does, have. B. Does, has. C. Do, have. D. Has, have. "25. Blank, a shower. A. Come. B. Go. C. Have. D. Has.